I'm going to show you how to do a woven wheel in 3 different ways. And we're going to start with one that has 5 evenly spaced spokes. Start by bringing your needle up from the center and insert it on the end of one of your lines. Come back up to the end of your next line and go down to the center. Repeat these sections on the rest of your lines. When you have all of your 5 stitches, bring the needle up just next to the center. And here we are going to go over the first line and under the next one. Pull the thread all the way through. We are not inserting our needle through the fabric, we just wave it over and under our spokes. So we are moving over, under, and so on. Continue alternating your moves under and over the spokes. If you want to create a bigger rows, you can make more spokes. Just make sure that they are odd, like 5, 7 or 9, so your stitches will be variated every time. To end your woven rows, you just bring your needle down in the place where you would normally go under the spoke. Here I would like to show you my favorite variation of woven rows. It contains of only 3 spokes. I also prefer to use double thread, so you will get a nice volume in here. What I like about this way, that your flower seems a lot more natural. As you can see, the moves are the same here, one under and one over the spoke. Let's pass to the third way. Here you start by drawing the circle of the size that you prefer depending on your design, and 5 evenly spaced stitches around it. We're going to make some French knots in the center. For that, you are bringing your needle up through the fabric. Take your thread in your hand and wrap it around the needle twice, and then go down just next to the hole from where you came out. Of course, you can wrap your thread around the needle once, twice or 3 times. It depends on the volume that you want to give to your flower. To make it easier, at first do French knots according to your circle and then fill all the space inside it. Then you can switch the color and do 5 equally spaced stitches around your center. Go up on the beginning of one of your stitches and start waving in the same manner as on the previous roses. Here I also use the double thread to give a nice volume to my flower. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my embroidery tutorials.